Today I have installed the Watch Dogs Legion. When I tried to launch the game, I got this error, could not load. To fix this, click on OK and go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on Open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select Manage Settings. Scroll down and select Add or Remove Exclusions and select Yes. Select Add an exclusion and select Folder. Navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option. Game has added to this list. Once you're done, go back to virus and threat protection and select protection history. Threat found, click on the dropdown and select yes. If any game related file is in here, select action and select allow on device option and select yes. Do the same thing if any other game related file is in here, select action, allow on device. Once you've done this, close stuff here and now you can launch the game. As you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.